To insert some content such as text inside of the box, we could go to Insert, Textbox, and use presets here. But actually they are regular shapes with some formats. We could add text there. We could also add any text inside of any shape. As an example, I make a rectangle. You could right click and choose Add Text, or just while your shape is selected, start typing. We could freely move it based on the wrap texting and inside of any other contents. We have one special additional feature, which is create textbox link, which, as I mentioned, the text box, it doesn't matter to have the exact text box. It could be anything like a circle or any other shapes with the closed area to able to type. Just as an example, I start to making another rectangle, and make sure your new shape it is empty without any text. I select my first shape and go to the shape format and click on Create Link. Then move your mouse and click on this shape. As you see, it is not working because it has to be get editable for text. So I press Escape first, select my second shape, press Enter once to get Edit Text mode. Alright, now it has content. Again, select your shape, create a link, move your mouse pointer inside of that until it changes. Now you could link them together. Okay, as you see, now we have break link, which we don't want to remove it. If I start add content there and there is no extra space, you see what's happening? It is starting to add additional contents inside of next one. So if I start removing, it will working here. You see, it's pushing up because there is space there. So I could add my content and it's getting continue. And of course, it could continue for multiple text box or shapes. And it is great, especially when you are trying to make a special layout for your document, similar to newspaper or magazine. And it is ideal with linking something like that. If I select my first reference shape and click on break link, now there is no link anymore. And you have, of course, to resize your shape or remove some part of your content or make it smaller to able fit that.